Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najwa Dilia and I have a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from University Technocrat Indonesia. I want to describe basis of energy conversion. Electrical voltage. Electrical voltage is the work done to move a charger for one coulomb on an element or component from one terminal pole to another terminal pole or on both terminal pole. There will be a potential difference is we move a charge of one column from one terminal to another terminal. Electrical resistance. The resistance of the conductor to the discharge current is called resistance. The C unit difference for electrical resistance is the ohm. Reaction due to the flow of electric current. The hot reaction of the electric current always hot up the conductor. The least reaction in on index can calm the hem reaction of on electric current causes the wear, the glow, and the become shining morning. It is a side effect of light. The magnetic current reaction always generates a magnetic field. It rocks the human body. The electric current generator or even causes an electric jet shock. Energy source. An energy source is anything that can produce energy either of the growth, conversion, of transformation, process energy sources, or divide into two, namely renewable energy source and non-renewable energy source. Examples of renewable energy source include sun, wind, and water. Wind non-renewable energy source include oil, natural gas, coal, and nuclear. Electrical energy source such as boilers, PLTU, PLTG, and other. Electrical energy is generated by electric contour such as PLTA, PLTU, PLTG, PLTGU, PLTP, and PLTP. Electron. Electron subatomic particles that have a negative charge and are generally written as electron do not have and no basic component on substructure, so they are believed by elementary physics. Electrons have a very small mass, about a kilogram. Reporting for chemistry label text the weight of electron is the thousand limbs like then pound mechanicus the not contributes anything to the total mass of the atom. Electrons are not found in the atomic nature or neutron. Electrons have the opposite electric charge is pronounced nominally -1. Understanding electric power. Electric power is the ability of an electrical device to do work due to change in work and change in electric charge per unit on time. The greater the electric power in a circuit, the greater the energy that will be keyboard. Electric power can be expressed in watt, which is the unit for electrical power. Electrical power can also be expressed in volt ampere. Volt unit, which is a combination of electrical voltage and electrical current ampere. Example of first types of household electrical power in volt ampere include uh, for volt amperes meters. Electrical power is quality of electrical is very important important in everyday life, which is useful for lighting, driving, industrial mechanics, charger, ising, art control, events, information, and communication, load driving, electric vehicle, and driving medical equipment. Relationship between electric power, voltage, and current. The relationship between electrical power, voltage, and electric current consists of three different relationships. Relationship between power, watts, and voltage, volt, and current, ampere. Electrical power is directly proportional to the voltage and current flowing. The greater the voltage, the greater the electrical power product. The greater the current, the greater the electrical power product. Relationship between voltage is directly proportional to the power and current flowing. The greater the power, the greater the voltage current, the greater the current, the greater the voltage record. Relationship between current, ampere, and power, watt, and volt. Electrical current is ratioly proportional to the power and voltage. Also, the greater the power, the greater the current liquid, the greater the voltage, the greater the current required. Ohm's law definition. Ohm's law is a mathematical statement to explain the relationship between electrical voltage, electrical current, and electrical resistance. The law is named after its founder, John Simon Ohm, with studying the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in a conductor. Ohm's law explains the electrical current flowing in a conductor is directly proportional to the volt in product. Mathematically, Ohm's law can be written in the formula E sama dengan V bagi R, which is the electrical current vs the electrical volt in R is the conductor resistance. Ohm law can also be adapted by graphing the linear relationship between voltage and current is electrical circuit. Ohm law is the basis for calculating current, voltage, or resistance of an electrical circuit. Basic of electrical power system. Electrical engineering is an engineering major that focus on electricity and its application in everyday life. This major study the properties of electrical and has everybody very broad scope covering electricity generation, source, distribution, network system. The thrust used by an user electronic engineering is also divided into separate concentrations such electronic engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation engineering, in computer and telecommunication engineering. Electrical current is the flow of electric charge. The process towards a point or part. Electrical current is called to accelerate the is a flow electric charge towards a port from the flow of electrical current. Electrical power is above the which is called power. The great the electrical potential difference between the 2 points. The great the current bearing electrical current is something that occurs when a charge at an electric voltage in possesses triggered a load. Electrical is a very important energy source for human life, which is used for process such lighting, driving, industrial mechanism, charger, steering, actual efficiency, information and communication tool, driving electric and driving medical car. Basic electrical power problems. Basic problem of electrical power include various aspects such as electron theory, electrical current, and the use of electron theory regulate the behavior of electrons in conductor, semiconductor, and isolators. Electrical current regulate the behavior of electric current in an electrical system, as well as the laws that regulate electrical current. The use of electricity regulate the use of electricity is everyday life, such as the use of electricity for lighting, propulsion, and so on. The problem of energy conversion is also one of the problems that need to be studied, which regulates how to share energy from the another. In electrical power generation, the main problems include providing primary energy, providing cooling water with problem propulsion, and maintenance. Providing primary energy is a very important aspect because primary energy will be the fuel for generating electricity. Providing cooling water is also very important because cooling water is used to maintain the condition of the machine as the flowing electricity. But the problem is also a problem to need definition because the waste product in electricity generation can pollute the environment if it is not processed properly. Objective. Electrical energy is basic need is very important for human life, where all human objectives are related to electrical energy, often along with economic growth and increasing population in Indonesia. The net low electrical power content to increase electricity is one of the source of life process. Apart from functioning, lighting is also function and energy in developing as business and daily activities. Electricity and from cosmic always improve from line to connect.
Kendali manual adalah suatu konsep yang melibatkan penggunaan kontrol manusia langsung untuk mengoperasikan atau mengontrol suatu sistem perangkat atau proses tanpa keterlibatan otomatisasi atau komputer. Dalam sistem kendali manual ini, tindakan kontrol dan pengendalian keputusan sepenuhnya bergantung pada tindakan manusia. Meskipun sistem kendali otomatis dan semi-otomatis makin umum digunakan dalam berbagai aplikasi, sistem kendali manual tetap relevan dalam banyak konteks, terutama di mana interaksi manusia langsung diperlukan untuk situasi yang kompleks atau terduga. Salah satu contoh penerapan sistem kendali manual adalah dalam kendaraan bermotor. Meskipun mobil modern dilengkapi dengan berbagai sistem kendali otomatis, pengemudi masih memiliki kontrol manual terhadap kendaraan mereka. Ia termasuk kemampuan untuk mengendalikan kecepatan arah dan berbagai sistem lainnya, seperti lampu, klakson, dan wiper. Pengemudi secara langsung merespon kondisi jalan, lalu lintas, dan lingkungan sekitar mereka untuk mengoperasikan kendaraan dengan aman. Dalam industri, sistem kendali manual masih banyak digunakan, terutama sektor-sektor di mana tingkat fleksibilitas dan adaptasi manusia diperlukan. Misalnya, dalam proses manufaktur yang melibatkan perakitan produk yang kompleks, operator seringkali menggunakan kendali manual untuk memastikan bahwa setiap langkah proses berjalan dengan tepat. Mereka dapat menyesuaikan kecepatan, tekanan, atau posisi secara langsung untuk memenuhi standar kualitas atau mengatasi masalah yang muncul. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.